Okay, so most people feel a sneeze coming and they just sneeze. With Parkinson's, my body treats a sneeze like it's a full Broadway production, complete with dramatic pauses, tension-building music, and a support cast of twitching muscles. I get the buildup, the face, the gasping, the inhale, and nothing. Everyone's staring like I forgot my line, and my eyes are watering, my head's in limbo, and I'm frozen in place like a malfunctioning robot. And at this point, I'm not sneezing, I'm holding the longest pre-sneeze pose, waiting for the standing ovation.